Domain authority is one of the most important things for lawyers to be educated on and aware of when it comes to ranking on the first page of Google via SEO. I always say that the keywords on your site get you ranked for the right keywords on Google, but your domain authority gets you ranked high for those keywords. So what I usually like to do, and it's going to be different for every practice area and every geographic area. For example, in a market like Philadelphia, you're probably going to have slightly lower domain authorities needed to rank in the top 3 on Google Maps than you would in New York or Los Angeles, because they would be slightly more competitive. And therefore, the competition would be higher slightly, and therefore you'd need a higher domain authority. So I always say, the domain authority is a number out of 100. The closer you are to 100, the higher you rank on Google, essentially. So the goal is not to get to 100. The goal is to be aware of the range that the people showing up in the top 3 are in, and then to create a plan to get to that range, and then just have better content and better website structure than those competitors. So I'm going to just look into what these 3 competitors are in terms of domain authority. So what you do is you'll just click on each of their links. Okay, and then you'll go to website SEOchecker.com. Okay, domain authority checker, and then you'll put in their domain, and then it will pop up and show you their domain authority. So we have a 37 domain authority for Brian Zeiger. Okay, so that's a pretty good thing. So he's showing up first. That's a pretty good domain authority. Let's go to Lloyd Long. Let's see what his is. Take out all the wacky stuff at the end. Let's see what he's ranking as. So it's 37 domain authority right here. You can see PA is page authority, but domain authority is more important. So let's just look at that. Okay, these first 3 guys. Let's see. All right, so this is a 27 domain authority, but he's got a high page authority. Okay, that's pretty interesting. And then let's go to Feynman. So this is the top 3 in Philadelphia. Again, this could be higher in your market or lower if you're in a rural area and it's not as competitive in your market. Let's see. Okay, so we have 27 for that one. We had 37, I believe, 27. We have 34 here. So if you're wondering why you're not showing up in the top 3, one of the first things you need to solve is your domain authority. Now, 34 out of 100 may seem low, but comparatively speaking, that's not that low. Okay, domain authority is not that low. Now, the way that you get a higher domain authority is by getting more websites online linking back to you. That's one way, but actually now, as of 2020, they now are really focusing on EAT. Okay, EAT in SEO. Just to show you what this is. Oh, wow, that's funny. It's expertise, authority, and trust. Just to show you. So expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. So instead of just how many websites are linking back to you, they're also looking at, are you a documented expert in the area in which your blog and your website is writing about? Are you authoritative? Are you trustworthy? So what you do is at the bottom of your blogs, you need to start putting bios on who you are that are similar to bios on other websites, so that Google can track back to the fact that you are a thought leader in this area. Okay, so back to this. I'm going to show some firms that aren't ranking within the top 3, and let's see what their it's this one I looked at. Brennan Law Offices. Let's look at them. I already have them open right here. Okay, and then we'll pull up their domain authority. And usually, as you go down the list, you're going to see lower domain authority showing up lower on Google Maps because it's such a high ranking factor. Okay, so you see a 22 here. So it is slightly lower, right? Now, the way that you get good domain authority, again, is by getting the EAT principle down, which there's plenty of videos on how to do that, and also getting better backlinks for your firm, meaning getting local quality websites to link back to your law firm's website. That in and of itself can get you to rank higher on Google. So check this out. These are the top 3 firms we just looked at: Zeiger, Lloyd Long, Feynman. Look, they only have 28 reviews, 29 reviews, 28 reviews. So there's people down here who have more reviews. For example, Goldstein Meta, they have 83 5-star reviews. Okay. Fishman firm has 62 reviews. That's almost triple the reviews of these guys up here, or double the reviews of these guys, right? So it's not just the number of reviews you have. It's actually what's called review signals, which includes review velocity, meaning how often you get reviews on a consistent basis, how realistic the reviews are based on the text that people type in. So there's a lot of factors that go on behind the scenes, and a good place to understand those factors is to just type in SEO ranking factors Moz, and they did this big study in 2018, and things haven't really dramatically changed as much. Let me see if I can get this pulled up. So right here, you can see this based on the study that they did. These are the things that make websites show up within those top 3. You have on the local map pack, right? You have the Google My Business signals. You have the link signals, which is the backlinking, which creates your domain authority, like I said, and then review signals. So the link signals take precedence over the review signals if you're looking to rank in the top 3 on Google Maps. Obviously, you have to have the right category. Notice those 3 that we looked at, they all are listed as criminal justice attorneys. Criminal justice, criminal justice, criminal justice, see? And then some of the ones down here are just listed as attorney, right? Law firm, that's too general to rank under criminal defense lawyer keywords as an example. So you have to have a lot of things in check to get your SEO dialed in today's competitive market. If you're looking for help with your law firm's SEO, I am the owner of the SMB Team. If you've seen any of our other videos, most of them aren't filmed in my house. They're filmed in our office, in our studio. But I had to make a video on this because there's so much opportunity in getting your domain authority right. If you're interested in having us manage your SEO, go to smbteam.com, smallmediumbusinessteam.com, submit your information for a free marketing consultation, and I'd love to hop on a call and help you out. Otherwise, subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below, and let me know any topics you want me to go deeper into, and I look forward to serving you more. Make sure you also put your email in on our website, smbteam.com, and you'll get our free daily legal marketing email drip where we send you free legal marketing tips every day in your inbox. Thanks so much for the time.